wide body. They call this the Vision wide body. This was the first one in the world. There's 2 of them right now. They were in Florida debuting. My buddy Peter, the owner of 1016 Industries, went through a lot of trouble the last 2 years. He shipped this over from Florida. This was meant to be just like a test run. That's why it's here now, just to like fix everything on it, to fit it better. But the car is very, very incomplete. There's a lot of misaligning things going on. Like that quarter panel is completely loose. So a lot of things are not even on there, but it kind of gets the idea. We're gonna be fixing this thing up, doing it the RDB way. As you guys already know, everything RDB does hits differently, and this thing is gonna hit differently when we're done. It deserves it. This is the first functioning fixed wing on a McLaren 720S. By functioning, I mean there's no air on the dashboard. And this is all connected to the vehicle's hydraulic factory wing. They actually custom engineered a piece that goes inside this thing, so it still goes up and down, but this thing does not move. They did it the right way. Really beautiful wing. It's a little bit large, but actually it fits really well on the car, the width and the height, because it kind of matches the roof. Everything is carbon fiber. As you know, 1016 Industries does mostly carbon fiber work. Rear bumper extensions look wild. Obviously full carbon, quarter panel replacements, door trims, full fenders, hood, front bumper. A lot of stuff going on with this beast. This stuff was all wrapped real quick just for the event, so it's like already coming off and stuff. So if you guys see it and it kind of looks like a disaster, don't hate on it, because like I said, it was a lot of hard work on this thing. It was meant to show. The second one they did, it was paint. That one actually came out perfect. So we're gonna be fixing this thing up and it's gonna look amazing when we're done. But we are taking orders for the wide body 720 kits now.
But the thing is small. It's so small when you do the thing. Back out.
It looks small.
Yeah, the rules.
Back to work Monday. This Chrysler lower control arms were completely broken, and after we had taken the arms off to see what else is going on, the frame of the car completely broke as well. It's good to fix problems before they get really crazy expensive, and I mean, besides that, safety's first. So the customer was driving like that, had no idea that the frame was broken. It's perfect now. We put the frame in, new arms are in, frame is in the car. We did do an alignment on the vehicle. It feels like a brand new car. We're just on a quick test drive, make sure we're good. Customer scheduled to pick up the car a little bit later. He's gonna be really excited to have this car back safe, and he's good to go. So yeah. You got that movement and stuff? How the motor skipping from the back? You gotta come this way and get it. It's interesting.
Yeah, well, also they moved the seat too much to the front, and then it gets stuck with the gear.
Okay. So that's the problem we're having.
And then the motor gets
Okay. So basically, we need a new motor. This car came in. You guys are familiar with this car. It's amazing Ferrari that we have here. Customer had a seat problem. You guys can see Javier's testing the seat. So basically, the seat goes forward and backward, but it doesn't. You know, the back doesn't move. So he's just doing it right now. Javier has it connected to another battery, just trying to see what's going on with the motor. And yes, it is getting stuck. So we're gonna get a new motor and put the car back together. As you guys can see, we work with everything and do everything. So yeah.
So me, you, and Josh Mo.
Okay.
We're going to movies, but you cannot be a bit in a company.
What do you want to watch?
Tom and Jerry.
Tom and Jerry?
Yeah, there's a movie.
Oh, that's cool.
Yes.
It's out? Okay.
No, I will buy the popcorn and everything.
Okay, done deal. Friday.
Mano, you want to come with us?
There's better things to do than watch Tom and Jerry.
Thank you, Moses. Monday to Saturday, I see your face. You think at night I want to see you too?
Friday, we're going to movies. Do you want to enjoy it? Coming with us?
Movie theaters have like a capacity limit, right? For indoor movie, it's like 10%.
Okay.
You're like 9% already capacity.
It's okay, you're 1%.
So there's one more percent, and that's Moses.
You want to come with
I'm
us?
not going to movie with you guys.
It's going to be RDB team, why not?
I see enough of you here.
This is a millionaire's life. Millionaires, they don't go movies. Because he has, in the house, he has a
You're the
movie
one that has
theater.
the X6M competition.
Bro,
There's only 20 in the world apparently.
There's 20 X6M in the United States. 20 of them.
Bro, there's 400 in Glendale already.
You, Jerry, Urus, your package 100,000.
Mm-hmm.
Employees are inviting you to watch movie, and we're paying for a ticket.
Luis will go with you.
And Luis will go everywhere. Yeah, I'll have to ask Luis. I will just tell him Luis will be here. 6 o'clock, that's it.
Si está así, hay que darle pegada.
I learning how you have to sending. ¿Cómo es? A lo largo.
A lo largo. Pero mire que baje la mano, le va a decir. Ay.
No, pero my style, mi estilo, different. ¿Cómo es? She's a painter.
¿Cómo es? Se necesita pintar conforme está la pieza. Hacia allá. Se necesita pintar.
See? That's the stylings. I don't know, man.
What do you think?
Just in case I need it when you say something
Es
wrong.
para si no lija bien, le baja en la cabeza.
It's heavy shit.
Alright guys, so we are sitting in the 488 Spyder. We just wrapped it up in satin black. Just came to us in a simple black configuration. The guy wanted to change it up, but doesn't like anything colorful, didn't want to do anything crazy. So we went ahead and just wrapped it satin black. Obviously the easiest wrap color choice to do. And the R8 next to us, it's kind of loud. It's a clean R8. Yeah, car looks great. We're making sure everything is good on it. Beautiful interior. Obviously it's convertible, so it's perfect weather for that right now. So we have the top down. But I want to talk to you guys about something that just recently happened. I'm sure you guys saw it on my personal Instagram account. We had an issue with Mansory, actually, a supplier that we've been using for many, many years. We've been doing some of the builds with Mansory parts, wheels, body kits, whatever. Recently we did a Cullinan in that blue color, and we did a white Bentley GT convertible. If you guys didn't know, the Ferrari has the worst windshield wiper system because you can't turn it off. Essentially, Mansory decided to ignore us for a few weeks. I was trying to order something for a return customer. We tried to get a hold of them, took about 2 weeks. I started getting frustrated. I emailed them every single day. Customer was getting upset. Finally, they responded and they told me basically to purchase Mansory through somebody else, another method, whatever. I found out that this certain competitor reached out to Mansory, pretty much cried to them, and whatever they did to force Mansory not to sell to us. I could get Mansory elsewhere if I need to, not a big deal. However, I'm not going to recommend Mansory to anybody from this point on. Bad business, customer service is bad, we would get missing parts, fitment is not that great, even though you're paying the most outrageous prices for their body kits and wheels and whatever. It is what it is. We also had another issue with a wheel manufacturer some time ago. That was a while ago, but it's kind of in the same mix of it. The car industry has a lot of weird things going on, and you know, when you're on top of that food chain like we are, everybody tends to, I don't know if it's jealousy or hatred or what, but they do bad business. We literally made tons of money selling wheels for this company. All our builds, as you guys can see, usually go viral. Usually when we do a car with a wheel, it gets trendy. All over the world, that wheel sells just for that car. We tried to do an RDB wheel. Our royalties were not really paid, and unfortunately, I decided to go and make RDB wheels ourselves. And that was the greatest decision we've ever made. RDB wheels are flying off the shelves. Obviously, some dealers don't want to buy RDB wheels from us because, again, I don't know if there's that animosity, the jealousy, the hatred. Even though there shouldn't be any of that stuff. There's enough business to go around everywhere. But yeah, it's just, I'm ranting right now. Sometimes you guys see me being arrogant. Sometimes you guys see me being a little bit pissed off or annoyed online. There's a lot of stuff behind the scenes that, you know, you guys don't know. And it's unfortunate, you know, that it's that way. I'm a dealership, well, a dealer. I sell parts, I sell to customers direct, retail, all that stuff. So if you're a manufacturer, like a body kit supplier or a wheel manufacturer, I mean, the more the merrier. Why are you gonna cut supplies with somebody that is pushing your products, does a hell of a job doing it? It's beneficial to you marketing wise. Closing down doors is definitely the wrong way to do business. And that goes in all industries, you know. You never want to close doors. You want the doors always to be open. More money's flowing for everybody. It just makes all the sense in the world. So, business 101.
What happened?
Nothing.
What'd you lose?
Nothing.
Oh, alright. Later.
Yeah, but
Want me to close your door?
thank you.